The things you'll need: 1 measuring cup, active dry yeast, hydrogen peroxide, 2 funnels, 2 empty cups, a tablespoon measurement, and 2 food colorings, both different colors.
2 pairs of goggles, some dishwashing soap, water, and some empty bottles.
So, first you're going to take your 3% hydrogen peroxide and you're going to measure out 1 cup. We're doing this twice because we have 2 bottles. And you're going to pour it into your funnel, into your bottle.
Step 2. Add food coloring to your peroxide.
Step 3. Take your soap and your tablespoon measurement and measure out 2 tablespoons worth of soap and put it into your, right? Okay. And put it into your hydrogen peroxide and food coloring mixture. So step 4, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of water to each of your plastic cups, your empty plastic cups. Then you're going to follow that by a tablespoon of your active dry yeast. And then you're going to stir.
Step 5. Add your mixture into your bottle.
So we decided to redo the experiment with different measurements. So now we've got double everything that we had before. So we're going to give this a go.
This is going at maybe 1 minute now.
That's how it was supposed to look the first time. Okay, so when we mix the active dry yeast with the water and pour the solution into the empty bottle, or the bottle filled with hydrogen peroxide and soap and food coloring, the yeast acted as a catalyst which reacted with the hydrogen peroxide and basically broke down the hydrogen peroxide into water.